EcoHealth.
Water plays hide and seek and can be hard to find. Unfortunately for us, mosquitoes are excellent water hunters. These pesky, biting suckers find the nastiest water and make it a mosquito factory. Tired of getting bit by them? Me too. This is Christian, an education specialist at the San Gabriel Valley Mosquito and Vector Control District. Let's go on a hunt to find where these blood thieves hide and get rid of their territory. To defeat them, the key is to get rid of the water they love. As you might have heard, the climate is changing in a drastic way around the globe. These changes are affecting our region's temperature and water cycle. Some places are getting a lot more water, while others are getting a lot less water than ever before. Because of the increasing temperature and humidity, especially in the summer, tropical Aedes mosquitoes have taken over the San Gabriel Valley and are thriving here. They must be stopped because having them here means there's an opportunity for more diseases to spread.
Yuck.
As you probably already know, mosquito bites are itchy and really annoying. But they can cause more harm than just a little red bump. Our detectives have a special name for mosquitoes and animals like them.
What is it?
Vectors. Vectors are animals that can pass on germs or pathogens to us. Mosquitoes can do this when they steal our blood and can make us really sick. Just one bite can cause a lot of harm, and we're letting them get away with it. We have two groups of thieves that can make people sick. All it takes is one bite. Can you believe that?
What?
Culex mosquitoes are native. They are naturally found here and can infect people with dangerous pathogens like West Nile virus and the virus that causes St. Louis encephalitis, or SLE for short. Now, we have a new blood thief in town. Invasive Aedes mosquitoes.
Oh no!
They are from the tropics and can pass on pathogens typically found there, like Zika, yellow fever, chikungunya, and dengue. Aedes are here because we've given them a water paradise to flourish in, at our own expense. Okay, so mosquitoes are bad. But what's that got to do with water? Mosquitoes grow in water, and water is all around us, even underground. We humans thought funneling all of the LA basin's water down to the ocean was a brilliant idea back in the 1930s. This funneling system has prevented constant flooding since then, but it created other problems. Mosquito criminals hide out of sight in our underground storm drain system. They and their cronies rest, keep cool, and create more and more mosquitoes in the dark. But guess what? We are to blame. We throw our trash on the ground like it's nothing and overwhelm our catch basin debris capture systems. Trash that enters the storm drains and flood channels collects small amounts of water. When it stagnates, it begins to grow tons of algae and bacteria, preparing the perfect soup for baby mosquitoes to grow in. Female mosquitoes sniff out this water and lay their eggs on the water or near the water's edge. Our mosquito detectives uncover storm drains every spring and summer and find millions of mosquitoes living in the depths of the city. Poor quality water hides above ground too. Don't believe me? Buckle up. You haven't looked with a mosquito detective's eye. Water hides inside our homes in vases and plants rooted in water. Look outside. Water hides in cryptic sources like small containers, plant trays, tires, and toys. Water might even be stagnating right above your head in a seemingly innocent rain gutter. See that white cup? Evidence from our detectives. Mosquito babies swimming around in their bacteria and algae-filled water. While you're outside, take a look around. There are insects everywhere. We use our insect allies as clues to understand water quality. Mayflies live near good quality water, and dragonflies live near fair quality water. Dragonfly babies even gobble up mosquito babies. If you see them, they might be helping control the mosquito population in your area. But if we see mosquitoes flying around, yup, you guessed it. Unacceptable mosquito activity is happening in algae and bacteria-filled water somewhere nearby, and we need to find it. We need your help. Our detectives fiercely inspect many places where water hides around our cities. But you are the keeper of your own yard. Investigate and eliminate stagnant water. Walk around your house. Do you have plants rooted in water? Items piled up just waiting for the rain or sprinklers to fill them up? What about a bird bath or a pet dish? These items sit in the sun for hours, cooking up the perfect blend of poor quality water that mosquitoes love. Toss out as many items as you can that can collect water, and tip out the water in a bird bath or a pet dish at least once a week, and refill them with clean water. Remember, mosquitoes grow in just 5 to 7 days. Tipping and tossing is a cinch, but remember to protect yourself too. Mosquitoes are waiting for unsuspecting victims, so wear loose, long-sleeve shirts and pants to give those pesky mosquitoes less places to land on you and steal your blood. And wear repellent. That makes them fly as far away from you as possible.
Tip and toss.
Use what you know about mosquitoes against them. They're on the hunt for poor quality water. Don't give it to them. Protect your family from mosquitoes and mosquito-borne diseases by tipping and tossing today. So, get out there, detective. What are you waiting for?
EcoHealth.